Hi everyone, I'm Jeff Ward from Coder Kids, and what I hope to do in this video is explain a little bit about the camp that you're currently looking at. The Coding Foundations class is a lot of fun for these kids who are entering kindergarten through second grade, and what we do in this class is a lot of hands-on activities that teach the kids logic and sequencing. And so what I'll do is I'll add some clips to the video that show a little bit about what the students do.
So you can see here in this picture, we've got this game called Osmo, and these kids are putting these physical blocks in front of the iPad, and the iPad has a camera that looks down and it can see what the kids are coding. And so the monster on the screen is controlled by the actions that the kids are putting down in front of it. So it teaches the kids about sequencing and logic, and it really shows them how to build a block of code by themselves. This is a really another popular game called Robot Turtles. It's also something you can get online if you want to play a coding game at home with your kids. But basically, what they're going to do is they're going to guide this turtle through the maze to get to the jewel. And they have to pass around obstacles and do different challenges to get there. Another thing I just want to emphasize in this picture is our great instructor. We try to hire the very best instructors who have charisma and can relate to the kids. This is a game called Cubetto, and basically that little robot in the top left of the map is going to navigate his way through the maze. And it comes with like a story and kind of it's interactive for the kids, but the main idea is that they're putting those blocks onto the board and trying to solve puzzles about where the robot will go. So this app is called Lightbot, and this is one of the apps that we use on the Fire tablets. And it basically is a game where kids can solve puzzles again using this robot who has to go around and light up tiles in the puzzle. So apart from Fire tablets, we also use computers for like code.org, and we also do a lot of challenges and projects in Scratch Junior, which will prepare the kids for Scratch. And these examples that I've shown in this video are just an example of the things that we're going to be doing this summer in summer camp. So we're always on the lookout for great new things, especially so that these kids can have fun new experiences in computer programming.
So that wraps it up for the Coding Foundations class. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is info@coderkidstx.com, and we're happy to answer any questions about this class.